You don't have to sit and suffer. You can be smiley and happy just like everybody else. You can just click these in and it works perfectly. I think that even if you have just a slight embarrassment with your smile, this is the way to go. It's just so much better than spending thousands of dollars and having to ruin your teeth. You deserve a good smile too. I think everyone deserves a smile and everyone deserves to be happy. The only thing that we can do to spread happiness is to smile at each other. So that's what I'm going to be doing for a long time.